Hello everyone, happy Saturday. So we are back with yet another PR unboxing and a quick little update with the whole fire thing. So they ended up getting it controlled in about like an hour and a half later after filming, and everything ended up being good. They actually did an evacuation of my sister's daughter's school, but Kinsley's never did get evacuated, thankfully, and everything was good. So it didn't hit any homes or anything. They like literally jumped on it so fast and it got it out. So thank you all for like your prayers and everything. I really appreciate it. But I just wanted to kind of update you guys on that. But I've got a few boxes back here that we're going to unbox. We're going to get into everything that I show will be linked down below. If I have a discount code with it, it will be right next to it. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up and let's get into it. By the way, I've been pretty active over on my Instagram, so make sure you're following me on Instagram at Madison Miller. I've actually been doing TikTok, even though that's kind of getting banned here. I don't know what's happening with it. I don't think it's going to get banned because of how much money is in it from investors here. So I don't know what's going to happen, but I'm being over there. It's like _ life of Maddie _ that's my TikTok. Wish I could get Madison Miller, but I doubt I'll ever be able to get that. But I think that all that is like linked down below if you guys want to go check it out. And also on my Life of Maddie channel, I am doing a lot of like other videos that it's going to be like kind of like my breast augmentation and lift journey of all that stuff. So yeah, make sure you check that out too. I'm like everywhere right now. But the first package that we have here is from BELIF, and it says a wake-up call for tired eyes. Love BELIF. Honestly, this throws me back to my Ipsy days because we got BELIF a lot in the packages and their stuff is so good. We have the BELIF, the True Cream. This is the Aqua Balm, skin hydration level intensity increased. So it has hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and combo to oily skin is what it's for. This is the new and improved version. So that I guess they've updated it since then. I haven't used it in years, so definitely excited to try this one out again. And it's like a new and improved version. I love it. I love the old one too. They also have this Aqua Balm eye gel, which visibly reduces the appearance of dark circles and eye bags. Ooh, you like that. And they sent over a cute little, oh, I love it when they do this. Let me open this one up. I love it when I get a good little toiletry bag, and this one is great for your skincare right here. Look at that. Oh, I love these little bags. I'm actually going to put those inside there now. So thank you so much, BELIF. I can't wait to try out the new and improved version. Next up from NATURIUM, it looks like they have some new shades of their Phyto-Glow lip balm. So this is the Moody collection right here. So we have 3 new shades. Oh, these are like perfect for the fall and winter time. So we have Ruby, Midnight, and Crimson. Ooh, can't wait to try these out. These are really moisturizing, and also I really like the applicator to them too. Next up from CAUDALIE, we have their Instant Detox Mask. Tightens pores, removes excess oil, purifying clay, coffee, and grape. I could use this so bad right now. I really love the fact that it like helps tighten pores, but I love this product. This mask is great. I put this into my routine every so often. I'll like trade off. I really love the baby facial from Drunk Elephant, so I'll like do that to help exfoliate my skin for one night, and then another night I might grab this, or I might grab like another clay mask that's like more like purifying if I'm having a breakout. I had a breakout up here. I don't know what happened up there, but yes, excited to have another one of these. So thank you, CAUDALIE. We have a package from YSL, and this one was from the holidays. Add a touch of holiday glamour with YSL's Beauty Essential Warm Fragrances. Libre Flowers and Flames and Myslf Parfum. I don't know. I can't say it. But, oh, we got some new ones to try out. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Add to my whole perfume collection is YSL. I love their stuff. It's so good. Okay, so it says that Libre, which is the Flowers and Flames one, is a new sultry sun-kissed floral scent with creamy cocoa palm flower, spicy lily, and a warm vanilla base. Bold and unforgettable for the season. And then this guy right here, is it just Myself, I'm guessing? Le Parfum features a woody floral blend of rich orange blossom, warm woods, and spicy vanilla bourbon, leaving a rich, sensual amber trail. I'm opening up this bad boy. Let's see you. Ooh. Get ready to go to pickleball here in a little bit. This smells good. Oh, this smells so good. This is such a classy, like, mature scent. Like, I feel like if I wore this, like, you feel like sophisticated, you know? Oh, that's nice. That's a good date night one right there. I don't know why, but I felt like that one was gonna be a little bit more like flirty. It was just like, how do I say, like a more rich scent, you know? Ooh, look at this one. Excited to try this one out. The packaging is so pretty. It looks almost like a guy's, but I don't think it is. Just, it's a girl's, right? Yeah, but all right. Let's smell this one on the other hand. Oh, this one smells so good. I feel like this one is like such a date night. This one I could wear during the day or even just like, oh, I love this one. This one's nice. It's like a flirty scent, you know? I wonder what's in it that's making me like, it's just like lighter. It's the orange blossom probably is what's giving me it. It's probably that orange. It's like that fruitiness that I love. So thank you so much, YSL. Really appreciate it. I love your perfumes. They're all so good. All right, we got another one from NATURIUM here, and it says our richest innovation yet. And, ooh, stuff I would love at nighttime. Okay, so they sent over the Multi-Peptide Advanced Serum and their Rich Cream. So we have a serum and a moisturizer. And these are an ultra-rich cream is formulated with an advanced multi-peptide blend to intensely nourish, smooth, and firm skin's appearance. An innovative combination of a bunch of longer words, but basically it's going to help target fine lines and wrinkles for a more youthful looking complexion. It's going to plump and lock in moisture for hydrated, healthy look. So you're gonna cleanse your face, and you're gonna put the serum on, and then you're gonna put the moisturizer on. So I'm really excited to try these out. You could do this at nighttime. Love it. Thank you, NATURIUM. I love their stuff. Like also like their body washes, like all their stuff is just really good and very affordable too. Okay, so next up we have one from Buxom, and it says Forever in the Nude. Ooh, I love it. I'm already loving the nude talk. Okay, so they sent over the new Forever Babe Iconic Nudes palette here. My nude palettes that I'm using right now from ColourPop is like I'm hitting pan on everything. So I need a nude. Oh, this is going to be so pretty, you guys. Again, this is called Forever Babe Iconic Nudes. It's going to be linked down below. Oh, I love the texture. Like, look at the packaging. Super nice. Yes. Oh my God, I love this. Okay, so here is the nude palette. You have a nice like matte cream shade. You have a good light brown transition shade. You have some deeper colors in here. You also have some shimmers. And oh my gosh, these all look so good. All right, so those are some of the shades right there. Really beautiful shades. Like I would totally just like take the cream all over the lid and then put this into the crease. Sometimes what I would do is I would even take a shade like this and put this all over the lid and blend it up into the crease. I keep things really like simple and natural. So I love that. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. They also sent over their lash mascara as well. Okay, so next up we have a package from Josie Maron. Ooh! Oh, I don't want to knock over. Oh, I must knock over my Celsius. That would have been so bad. Okay, so they sent over less does more. One ingredient, endless benefits. So we've got, okay, so Josie Maron, they sent over the travel size, and then this is the full size. You can see those together. This is the original 100% pure organic argan oil. Pure argan oil. So this is warm 4 to 5 drops in hands and press into skin, hair, anywhere. You could put this in your hair, like the ends of the tip is like your hairs are feeling dry. You could do this on your cuticles. You could do this on your face. Oh my gosh, I love oils like this at night. I always use an oil at night because it just helps my skin so much more. And a lot of you guys have actually noticed that my skin has been a lot more glowy and stuff. It's been this oil that I've been using from U Beauty. I use it every night, and I've started using a tiny bit in the mornings too, especially when I went to Vegas. Oh my God, I was so dry. I was so dry. And I put in a little bit underneath my makeup, and it literally made my foundation look 10 times better. But yeah, so they sent over these. You can also do refills of it too. So this is what a refill package looks like. I love that they do that. And then here is the empty canister. And then they also sent over a little funnel too to put it in. So I really appreciate it. I'm going to use this. I'm going to try this out. I'll give you guys updates on it, but it sounds absolutely amazing. And I love their products. I use their body butter every single day. Okay, so next up is this one that I really wanted to try out. Like, I'm so excited because I've seen it. They have like different things. Was this the Khloe Kardashian line? Kourtney, yes, I'm right. Lemme is a wellness and supplement brand owned by Kourtney Kardashian. She founded the company in 2022. And they're natural wellness products. So I got a couple products here that I'm excited to try out. So we have the Lemme Curb. So this is a craving support soft chews. It's got vitamin B12. Oh, I could use you. So what it's gonna do, it's gonna help curb your cravings and activate metabolism, promote healthy weight management, and is also less than 1 gram of sugar per chew. Gotta try these out. And then Lemme GLP-1 Daily. So GLP-1 cravings and weight management. So they actually gave me a selection of what I could choose from, and I chose these. I wanted to try them out. Promote your body's GLP production to reduce hunger and cravings and support healthy weight management with 3 clinically studied plant ingredients. So I'm excited to try these out. I'm going to read more about it. Let me know if you guys have ever done this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So we'll see how these will go for me. And I'll keep you guys updated. And then also, again, let me know if you've ever tried them. Okay, next up from Too Faced, which I love. Okay, so they sent over this baby's been out for a while. I love this one. The natural nudes. Like, I love it. Everyone's onto the nude train. Thank God. I love the nudes. This baby is so good too. Another great palette. Oh my gosh, look at how many like matte shades we have in this one and shimmers, everything. Oh, this one is also going to get added in. I love, 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 love this. Great palette. They also sent over their lip injection lip liners. These are so good. I love Puffy Nude, by the way. Puffy Nude is amazing. I don't think I've ever used espresso shot, but it's basically they sent these over to do like the 90s trend look. Show us your makeup, your take on 90s makeup. And I love it. I love 90s makeup. Like, I'm so into right now of doing like the darker lip liner with like Creme de Nude from MAC on the lips. It's just, I'm living for it. And then just like the matte look too. I love it. I love 90s makeup. So very excited about this. Thank you so much, Too Faced. This is amazing. I can't wait to use that palette again. I know I have it in my collection, but things, you know, you just forget about them after a while. And just to like get reminded of like how good they are. And it's got so, just like your perfect everyday palette that you can go from nighttime. Like, you could just have this one palette and you're good to go. I love it. So again, thank you. And also their lip liners are bomb, but just be ready. They make the lips tingle. Next up from Buxom, they had an Amazon, oh, this was for Amazon Prime Day. I'm late on this. It was 30% off on all shades. Oh my gosh, I wish I could have shared that with you guys. Freaking love Buxom. They're so good. I'll keep an eye out if they have any more like sales or anything, because their stuff, their lip products are so good too. Oh, White Russian Sparkle here, full on plumping lip polish. I love their lip polishes. They sent over Brandy, Gabby, and Sugar as well here. These are the more of the plumping lip polishes, so you guys can kind of see them. Really, really pretty. And then the other one, oh yeah, we got Dolly here. Dolly is like the shade that's just so pretty in all their different versions that they come out with it in. I'm gonna grab White Russian Sparkle because I could put that on my lips right now. I'm gonna have like a full face of makeup right now for pickleball. Oh well. I forgot the one that I had. I've used up, I think I've used up 2 of them, but I love their glosses. They're so pretty. So, so pretty. Thank you, Buxom. I'm sorry I'm so late on this one. I'll keep an eye out if there's any more sales coming out and I'll share them with you guys because Buxom's a great one to try out. Yay, I got a restock on some Coco and Eve. We got the Ultra Dark, which is the one that I love from them. I like Ultra Dark in all of them because they tend to be more of a olive tone and not orangey. And I love their tanning mitts. Their tanning mitts are amazing. I love the fact that you have a little thumb spot right here and it's not the thin ones where the tanner seeps through onto your hands. I hate those. These ones are nice and thick and also comes down too further down because you know when you're like rubbing it in, sometimes you hit right here, especially if it's short on you. So this one goes further down and you're not going to accidentally hit your wrist. So thank you, Coco and Eve. I love you guys. I also really love their tanning brush, and I'm so mad that I left their tanning brush in Florida when we went to go visit. I completely forgot my whole little tanning bag, and it had my little brush in there too. And so I need to get another one because I've been trying to use a makeup brush, and they just don't work the same. I don't know about the tanning brush that Coco and Eve's has, but that one works so good and so much better. All right, so that is everything in this PR unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll eventually get caught up and back onto it. I'm gonna have a lot of filming time here because I'm not gonna be able to do a whole lot. So I'm just gonna be able to really sit. So I'll be filming a lot more and editing a lot more because I'm gonna be kind of trapped inside. So get ready. There's a lot of content coming at you. And again, everything that I showed in this video will be linked down below. So make sure to check that out. Give the video a thumbs up and I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye.